New severe thunderstorm warning issued for Alabama. Here is the full text of this warning. Attention, the National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama until 9:45 p.m. Central Time. At 9:03 p.m. CST, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Grand Bay, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tillman's Corner, Theodore and Grand Bay. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Full stop. End of warning.